Mohammad Liaquat Ali and my student ID is U2002354. I am going to discuss about the strategic proposals that are focused on the operations. The first one is strategic development. For the strategic development, Morgan Motors should focus on the strategies for the mitigating regulatory problems such as follows. The number one is developing a CSR policy. The number two is integrating climate change in auditing process. And the third and the last one is more accessible to each and every stakeholders. The first and the foremost strategy that should be implemented is a CSR policy. This CSR stands for the corporate social responsibility. The CSR policy should be focused on making the company more sustainable in its nature. This CSR policy is based on the three main basic elements. The three main basic elements for the policy would be as follows. The number one is environmental elements. The number two is social elements. The number three is economic elements. The first element is the environmental element. In this, the source of raw materials should be more sustainable. Social, the second element is the company take part in the social support programs and it must focus on youth and also biodiversity. The third one is economic element. In any situation of the company, the economic conditions of the company should be remain constant and profitable for each and every stakeholder of the company.
Start.
The second strategy is the climate change in auditing. By implementing this strategy is very important for the company. Implementing the integrity, the climate change in auditing process is mandatory for every company. The Financial Report Council expects full cooperation with the company. Therefore, Morgan Motors must need to report its financial activities to the Financial Report Council. And these implements are as follows. Its impact on environment by the extensive usage of wood in the making of vintage cars, as we know that Morgan Motors uses handcraftsmanship in their cars. Risks of climate change that might occur from business practices and their methods of mitigating these risks. The another strategy is to increase the accessibility. The company needs to be more accessible to its each and every stakeholders. The best example for the accessibility is the Swire Group of Company. The Swire Group of Company put every details on their websites which provides information on the following things. The first one is sustainable development policy. The second one is environmental policy. The third one is diversity framework. The last one is organizational chart. On the website, the company not only provides these things, but also the various important information that should be known to the stakeholders of the company. The third strategy for the Morgan Motors is that strategies for the leveraging technology. In this strategy, I am going to discuss about the three main strategies for leveraging technology, and these plays a vital role in growth of the company. The strategies for leveraging technology are as follows. The first one is focus on the big data. Morgan Motors should focus on its collection and organization of the company big data. The second one is modulating existing equipment. In every period of time, every existing machines and equipment should be modulated and it should be also be enhanced. The third one and the last one is the employee training strategy. Everyone knows that Morgan Motors is famous for its handcraftsmanship vintage cars. So it's very important for its employee to be very well trained in its work. As we know, if new employees should be get trained by their old employees, but it is very important for they should be perfectionists in their work. These trainings should not only in handcraftsmanship, but every employee should also be get trained in the latest technology in the upcoming world. And this will contribute to the company to emphasize the skill set and the knowledge of the employees in the upcoming technological world.